Hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Where in the World is, or should I say, where out of this world is Mrs. Clancy? I have traveled 239,000 miles away from planet Earth to this week's mystery location, which is Earth's nearest neighbor in space. It is the brightest object in the night sky, but it does not produce any light of its own. It is the light of the sun reflecting off of its surface that gives it its glow. Speaking of its surface, it is very rocky and dusty here. It is covered with mountains, craters, and flat plains called seas made of hardened lava. This mystery place is much smaller than planet Earth, so its gravity is much weaker. This means that I weigh a lot less here, about 1/6 of my weight on planet Earth. There is no atmosphere here, so there is no air to breathe, which is why I have to wear this spacesuit. This body of rock is called a natural satellite, which is a space body that orbits or travels around the Earth. Because of how it orbits Earth, sometimes the sun lights up different parts. This makes it look like it is changing shape in the sky from one night to the next, when it actually is not. The different shapes we see are called its phases. It takes about 29 days to go through all of the phases, and then it starts over again. On July 20th, 1969, a man named Neil Armstrong was the first person to stand on this surface. His footprints are still here because there is no wind or liquid water to wash the footprints away. Now, here are a few more interesting facts about this mystery place. It is about 4.5 billion years old. This celestial body controls the ocean tides on Earth. There are extreme temperatures here. It is boiling hot in the sun, about 252 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezing cold in the shadows, approximately -431 degrees. Unlike the blue skies on planet Earth, the sky here always looks black, even during the lunar day when the sun is shining. Looking from here, the Earth always hangs in the same spot in the sky. It does not rise or set. In addition, this satellite is moving about 3.8 centimeters farther away from the Earth each year. And finally, contrary to common belief, this place is definitely not made of cheese. Can you name where in the world or where out of this world is Mrs. Clancy?